My name is Eric Thu. I grew up here in Tucson and moved back about 5.5 years ago. The biggest reason for me wanting to put solar panels is climate change, and that is specifically related to my daughters. Seeing them get older and trying to envision what their future is going to be like. And I don't want to burden them or anyone in the future with more problems, and climate change being the most severe one I think we're facing right now, long term. But being able to have control of your own energy, not need to rely on anyone else, have the independence to do it how you want to do it, and be able to save money in the process. It's kind of got the whole package for you. It'll pay for itself and do a lot of good things that will go far beyond your own pocketbook.